Hi, my name is Morgan, and I'm the Business and Nonprofit Librarian with Greensboro Public Library. Today I want to introduce you to a database that recently got an update in January 2021, Simply Analytics. If you're not familiar with Simply Analytics, this is a powerful tool for anyone who is looking to learn more about their community, including community demographic information, spending habits, marketing information, and a whole lot more. Because Simply Analytic provides such rich detail about a community in a number of different maps, reports, and more, it makes this database an especially useful tool for small businesses, local government, nonprofits, and anyone doing research on any community in the United States. We are so excited to be able to provide access to this database for free online with your Greensboro Public Library card. Join me as I show you how to create projects, explore different data points and reports for different geographies and locations, and a whole lot more. To get started, check out the video on how to create a project in Simply Analytics. Already know how to create a project in Simply Analytics? Check out our other videos on exploring data reports and more. Have questions? Don't hesitate to reach out to the Information Services Department at 336-335-5430 or emailing me directly. Happy researching!